Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking ways you can make extra income, like generate good money for your business. All right, welcome back to my channel. I'm Titilaya Sharif. So if it's your first time here, kindly do well to subscribe. Okay, now first on the list is cake loaves. See, except you don't have a very good recipe base for all your cake flavors, that is when you can't sell these things. Like that is when you can't sell out on cake loaves. If you have a very good recipe, then you're going to be making cool cash from selling cake loaves and the rest of the products I'm going to show you in this video. Just walk with me. Walk with me, guys. Since the very first day I posted cake loaf on my social media pages, I've been getting orders back to back. I know I don't get keep. I tell you how it is. Now, second on the list is donut. I market donuts to my customers while they are ordering birthday cakes. I tell them you can pair with wine, you can pair with donuts, and since I started doing that, I've been getting orders for donuts. Even when it was that Mickey donut period, I sold Mickey donuts. I know some bakers didn't sell it, they feel that what is there. But guy, we made money during the Mickey donut era. You know I don't gatekeep, so I'm going to spill in everything so you know. Third on the list is cupcakes. All you need is just good packaging, and that is it. Pushing it because you know how it is now. People like fine things. People like well packaged gift. With your packaging, you're going to sell fast. That is what will differentiate you from another brand. So if the other baker beside you is selling her own with closed box, use open box and that's it. You'll be selling bento cakes. People order bento cakes on Instagram, no, on TikTok. Bento cake is like the best seller on TikTok. Whenever I go on TikTok, I'll be like, whoa, there's a large market for bento cakes on TikTok. If you sell bento cakes and you know you're good at it, just go and be posting them on TikTok. So I'm showing you this video here because it's a video of one of my customer's order. Now, this particular customer ordered this like this every weekend. Don't ask me what she uses it for. Even me too, I've not asked her, and I don't know. It's a business I'm selling. But I'm just trying to let you know that you can be making money and you will not even miss birthday cake sometimes. Yes, that is how good this product line can generate income for your business. It will keep your business afloat. Like you will not be broke. Yes, you won't be broke. So another thing you can introduce to your customer is cake slices. I started cake slices recently because I was really looking for a very fine plate at the box until I got them. I saw them on the island. If you're familiar with the market on the island, that's your best place to get these things. And since I started selling them, I sell them almost every day now. Now, you might be saying that, oh, you work from home, you cannot be doing these things. But once you market them, you can place days that you'll be selling them. You can even post them like a notice on your Instagram page that cake slices is always available on Thursday, and you market it a day before to, um, allow to make your customers know that oh it's going to be available the next day, and before you know it they will order. And that's how I started when I started selling parfaits. I sell parfaits only Thursday Fridays because I know towards weekend people, customer likes to buy things that they want to indulge in during the weekend. So you can do the same thing. Make a like a calendar for your customers so they know that oh this person know she sells slices on Fridays. They will wait for you, and you will not have to run at a loss because you know that once you make cake slice on this particular Friday, you're going to sell out, and you will not do too much. You will do what you know that you can sell, and that is it. So I know, or not me saying I know. We all know what the economy is saying. So if you're not doing something to keep your business afloat, you'll be tired. And because me, I've been, I've experienced that kind of tiredness before. I don't want you to go through it because it can be draining. I I shared one time in one of my videos that there was a point in my life where I took all my cake things, all my equipment that I had then. The only thing I didn't give out was my mixer. I had a 4 liters mixer then. I didn't give it out. That was the only thing I kept because I was totally mentally drained. Because then I will buy everything possible. I have every baking ingredient just for customers to come and order. They won't order. I got tired. So assuming I knew then that I can be selling these things using the flours, to be making all these things, maybe I would not have given up. Then I really gave up. I stopped selling cakes for over 2 years until I came back to it. So if you know that you don't want to be in that phase, because I know a lot of bakers might be facing that right now. So this is your cue to dust yourself up and try again. This is your cue to start something that would, excite you and bring you good morning. And you see, these things are not stressful. In 30 minutes, you're done with making them. You just pop in your fridge and chill and wait for your customers to come pick them up. Because you don't really want to be in that place of brokenness. You don't want to be broke. Let me use that accent. You don't want to be broke. So guys, what I'm trying to tell you in this video, that you have a lot of options. You can do small chops. At a point in my life, I was selling small chops. So that's why I always say, once you're starting, just let your customers know that you are in business and you are in cake, you are a baker, you can do so many things. So that when they think of anything, even when they're in their offices and someone is looking for someone that wants to do small chops, oh, I know someone that can make it. You get the gist. I know someone that can make it. But most times, if they say, oh, I don't know, they are not even sure. They say, "Ah, this person baked only cake. Oh, I don't think she can do donuts." Because if they come to your page, they might not even see anything related to that. How would they know that you make them? So you need to market these things shamelessly on all your social media pages. Going forward, you'll be shocked as at how much you've been making. Go to your WhatsApp status, post cake parfait, it's available, put the price. My darling, you'll be selling out in no time. So this is my cake parfait, and this one, it's just now that I increase the price that people are not saying, it's not expensive. Well, even though they complain it's expensive, they are still going to buy it. So my cake parfait, I got a customized sticker for it. If you need contact for branding, just chat me up on Instagram. I'll be glad to help. We are in this together. We are to make this money together. So what else do I want to explain in this video? Another thing I want to chip in is you can make dessert too. Yes. So if you're wondering or you're thinking that you're not getting wedding cake orders, and you like to be in events, or you're an event person, you like, some bakers like Owambe, you just want to go there and do your thing, you can introduce dessert to your customers. And now you don't really need to go for a big course, like a bigger course to learn dessert. Just learn plating skills and learn how you're going to add toppings, learn fillings. I have all this on my channel, learn fillings, and that is it. Your normal recipe is going to do well for your dessert, and you are good to go. See you at the top, and see you in my next video, where I'll be sharing more tips on how to keep your business afloat. Bye for now, guys.